guys, it's Nocturnal 58 here. Alright, so last we left off we had gone over here and we had finished cutting all this. Now, there is more to cut, but we also need to get this in the silo. Let's start getting some silage. Alright, maybe I'll turn up the vehicles just a tad. I'll put them to 30. There we go. That's a little louder. Unless you guys like the sound, so I'll put it to 40. I know I should be driving over that. Sorry for whoever loves it. Alright, let's get this hooked up, shall we? Alright, let's get that out. No, I will not be taking all this over when we take it to the silo. Because I do not want to get stuck. Because I've yet to do it on the new version, so. Oh, not ready. There we go. Oh. Don't want to miss it. Alright. This is going to take a while, but yeah, I got this. So, well, we already had this. So, but I'm wondering if in the future we invest in a self-propelled one, aka a drivable one. So I think that would be a very good investment in the future. But for now, for the little one that we have, there's honestly no sense. To be honest. I haven't done anything except turn the tractor around that has the hay button. That's all I've done since the last video. So, just want to make that clear. Because I am not doing a step behind, because we have the same amount of money as we did last video, and I'm not able to like cheat that. Trust me, I don't even know what money you would need. Alright. We gotta be careful with this box, this trailer, because it can break, believe it or not. Oop. Okay, for a second there I thought I broke it. But once you break it, you cannot fix it, from what I can see. And I do not know how to repair it. Messed. I'll just get that another time. I'll get that on the next. Come on, stop missing. Hey, come on, Nocturnal. I should be looking forward, but I need to see that. Because if I don't, Ooh, we're getting close. This is gonna be a long video. I do not know how to edit, so I apologize for how long this might take, but I probably won't do it all on cam in video, because I do not want to bore you guys. That's the last thing I want to do, is bore all of you. So I'll do some, then we'll go do some hay buying again. Alright, take it slow, if not it'll break. Especially because there's a bump in the yard itself. We should honestly put this away, this blower. I'll probably put it in this barn here, this cow barn. I might make an entrance here. Could have got closer. There we go. Do I have it on? No, I do not. So that's all the silage we can make. I'm thinking though, we can do haylage, which is what we're doing, aka grass the silage. And if we put hay, it'll become silo hay. It's just hay in the silo, from what I'm understanding here. Oh, we're done. Alright. Let's head on out over here. We'll come deal with this later. We should get at least most of what we were doing done. Did I lower that? Oh, Lord. That's what it looks like from above. Yeah, so if I stay right here in between lanes, it'll pick it up. And a little more to the left. Alright, we're in business. Heck yeah. There, we clean that up. Oh, come over here and grab this. Let's raise this up. Let's get these headlands out of here, shall we? Not too fast. And I got three puppies, not two, but 3 puppies here with me. We got Chloe, we got Buttons, and then we got Ruby. So yeah, we got 3 puppies beside me while I'm recording. They're adorable, by the way. Yeah, we'll just knock out this headland. I don't know how. Turn here, maybe? Not quite, but could have went a little further, but it ain't gonna hurt us. It might not be the best, but unless we got something done. And I think over across the creek over there where I'm looking, I think over there we're gonna do hay for beef cattle. Oh, there, that was perfect. Perfect as can be. Alright, let's head up here. Let's go through there. Full. There we go. We'll raise that. We'll drop this here. Oh, maybe not. We need a little more room. We'll put this here for now. And this might be what I'll do in video, because I don't want to bore all of you with picking this up, and I don't know how to edit. That's something I need to learn. I am actually currently looking for someone who it would be maybe willing to teach me how to edit, and I'd be more than willing to pay. There we go. Well, thank you everyone for watching, but that'll be all for today. I will make sure to keep uploading on a regular basis from now on. Sorry, I had to have a drink of water. But yeah, and I will at some point be getting a GoPro to actually show real life farming once I get one. I'm currently looking to a good one right now. It's just a matter of getting it on sale, but if I can't, I will just go ahead and buy it. But the content you won't probably see any till later in the spring, because we are getting a late start at at planting in Canada, because we are still currently getting snow where I'm at. Otherwise, yeah, I will look into getting a GoPro. I am. But yeah, stay frosty, everyone. Stay safe. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. There's not much that I wouldn't do anyways, but see you guys in the next one.